What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is the first video of the year. Happy New Year's to everybody. This came right after New Year's, and I'm shooting this video on New Year's Eve just for y'all. Why not? Why not? But anyway, we got another human-made lookbook 2022 for spring summer. This is gonna be a dope lookbook. This is gonna be like a part 1. I'm gonna do a part 2 when I actually buy the physical lookbook. But we're just gonna look at the lookbook that's on the website right now. And tonight I will be able to buy the lookbook at 10. Hopefully it's either 9 o'clock or 10 because Nigo like changing the times on the drops. But I will be buying physical lookbook, so I'm gonna go over that as well because we're gonna have more stuff in there than on the online lookbook. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. Let's get into the video. All right, so we are on the first item of the lookbook. So we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna go piece by piece by piece and just gonna talk about it. Things I like, things I don't like, things I may pick up, things I may not pick up. That's all we're gonna go through with this lookbook for right now. We're gonna do the same on the second part of the lookbook when I get the physical lookbook in hand, but that's enough being said. Let's get into it. All right, so he wearing a 6-panel twill hat. Don't know what it is on the front side. That's all this is. And we got a Yokosuka jacket with some relaxed denim pants. I still haven't bought a pair of denim yet or one of these Yokosuka jackets. So I don't know how I'm feeling about this, but they have like a different colorway for this. We can see if I'm thinking about getting one of these jackets, but I do need to get a pair of these human-made pants already because it's been too long that I haven't got a pair yet. So hopefully we'll be able to get one sometime this season. So let's keep on pushing. All right, so next we got another 6-panel twill cap, and it just says dry alls on the front, kind of similar to this. Like, it looks similar to this with the lettering, like with the stitched on lettering. And we got a Western shirt with a zip up hoodie, so we'll have some zip up hoodies this season, and some cargo pants. So really can't tell what's really on this Western shirt. So I'm guessing there may be a print on the back, and I see some right here, like on the collar. I think like a little human-made heart on the collar, like a button or something, but I really can't tell. Can't really digest this one too much, but we just get a good look on what we can expect. So next, all right, so we have a patch rugby shirt and some light sweatpants. I don't know. I don't know about the light. I don't know about the rugby shirt. I don't know. I'm indifferent on it. I'm like in between. I don't know how I feel about it. So I really can't get too much feedback because we already seen this, like something similar to this on the previous season that just passed with the hats they did. I'll marinate on the rugby shirt, but the pants we'll see on that because I already got a pair of human-made sweatpants I got for the low. I paid like $70 for those when they was on sale. I forgot what website they were, but I got them for a steal. So we can go to the next. Next we have a utility jacket and some military pants. I want to see more of this utility jacket and what it has to offer, like what's on the back, if there's any back print and things like that. So it just seemed like really good utilitarian jacket to have, so you can have a lot of stuff to put in those pockets and put stuff away and actually be used for something and not just for show. But I can't really tell much with these military pants. They just look like they're khaki with the colorway, so that's all on that one. But this right here, now I like it, but I don't like it, and I'm gonna tell you why. And the human-made website being kind of slow with the lookbook, so just deal with it. All right, so we got a twill delivery cap, and we have a bomber jacket, a delivery backpack. That looks dope. We'll get into that. And we got some relaxed denim pants from Human Made. And the reason I like this, but I don't like it. I like the design that it has with the tiger, but it's not stitched on. It is printed. I just feel like on an item like this, on a bomber jacket, stitch it on so it lasts longer. That's how I feel about it. And this delivery backpack, this is pretty cool, pretty dope. That's different. I still use the military backpack that I got behind me. So I'm like, should I buy this? Should I not? I don't want to buy it and not use it. So I'm just like torn in between the two, like, fuck, what should I do? But I want to keep the military backpack that I got, so I may keep that and just pass on this delivery backpack. Even though as cool as it may look, I'm gonna have to pass on it. So this jacket, damn Nigo, why you couldn't just stitch this on, man? Like, I won't even mind paying that price it was stitched on, but print, I'm gonna just pass on it. And some new stuff that he's doing this season that he didn't do last season, with bringing a new design out that I really like. And the piece that I really like the most, I'm like, really? You like that piece? You'll see when I get to it. All right, so next we have a nylon ripstop heart backpack. Don't know what that means. I haven't seen that yet. We got a crazy chambray shirt and a sweatshirt cardigan and some relaxed denim pants. So this sweatshirt cardigan, I really like what they're doing now. The designs, they're bringing like more, would it be like a mastiff? Like this dog right here, because it reminds me like of that Mastiff that they use and the Victor stuff, but they simplified it a little bit just using the line work of it. And I really do like this design a lot of this dog. So I'm glad they doing more with the different animals for this brand. So thank you, Nigo. Thank you. They're bringing the tiger out more and they're using the dog a little bit more than before. There's a piece you could, I may pick up. Don't hold me to it. Next, all right, so we got a herringbone helmet cap and a spring coat and some painter pants. I like this spring coat, but this I'm gonna have to pass on, and this helmet cap I'll be passing on. I may cop me a pair of painter pants. Yeah, I'm just pass on it. I don't really see myself wearing this as much, and I don't want to buy this expensive piece and I'm not gonna really wear it because I got some stuff coming out. Like for my brand, Temple, if you haven't bought it, link is down below. I got a lot more stuff coming with my brand, Temple, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I can't buy everything because I can't wear everything. So I'll just buy the things that I want, and then I'm gonna show y'all like the things that I got that I really wanted instead of just buying stuff just to be buying it. So this I'm gonna have to pass on. So look cool, but this is something I have to pass on because I feel like I'm gonna just waste money and not wear it, so I don't want to do that. All right, so we have another 6-panel twill cap. It has like the polar bear in the middle, and I'm guessing it says human made storing cowboy around like the polar bear head. And we got like a mountain parket. I want to say parka, but I'm gonna say cat jacket. It's a military pants. I like this jacket a lot. I wonder if there's more on here, but we won't know until we see it get released. And we got some black military pants. I may go with the black military pants if I can get this to go down. I'm telling y'all, this website being funny right now. I may get me a pair of black or the khaki pants whenever they drop, so we shall see on that. Overall, this is pretty decent. I like the jacket a lot more. I like this jacket, so who knows, I may end up getting it. Again, I'm not gonna be buying everything that I see, so. But this right here. All right, I know y'all gonna say this is a basic crew neck sweat. I know, I really do like the design. I like this design a lot. But before we get into it, we got a 6-panel twill cap with like the human made heart on the, would it be left side? Like bottom left of the cap. I don't like my hats like that. I like my design right there in the middle of the hat. So I'll pass on that hat, and we got some more relaxed denim. But this sweatshirt, man, I don't know what it is. I think, again, as simple as this is like one of the pieces I really like. I just like this design, man. I just like simple. I like simple. I don't like over the top. I don't like too much. I just like simple. And this is simple. I'm able to get this because this is like one of the items I feel like I want to get, like my go-to item. Because I have some more. I'm gonna be bringing out some sweatshirts myself, so y'all be on the lookout for that. But this item right here, I feel like I have to get this one. I have to get this one. So far, this is like my #1 item to get. Again, I know it's just like the most basic shit ever, but I like stuff like that. So next, now there's 2 items on here that I may end up having to get. Either this sweater, I may pass on this sweater, but this work jacket, oh my lord. it has to be a print on the back of this work jacket. If not, I'm fine with it, but let's get into it. All right, up under it, we got a stripe stand collar shirt. We got the work jacket, of course. He got a cotton knitted sweatshirt, multicolored tote bag, small, pattern printed chino pant, and we got some multicolored tote bags, medium size. But okay, we talked about that stuff, but I'm gonna say I'm really gonna speak on this work jacket and this sweater. This work jacket, yo, I'm really liking this new dog design, this Mastiff. I'm guessing it's a Mastiff. I want to see more of this work jacket. What's behind it? Is there the back print? Is there more stuff like that we can't see that's on the front? I want to see more of it. So I hope they have more of this work jacket in the lookbook when I order it. In this sweater, of course, we got the bulldog. And you just use your imagination what that would look like on this sweater. But this is fire. I really like these 2 pieces a lot. So I would say that sweatshirt is my #1, this work jacket was my #2, and this sweater would be my #3 so far with the things that I like. So next we got a human made beanie, and we got a coverall jacket and some painter pants. I like this jacket, but I really don't care for the design. I don't like this duck design. I really don't like it. It's one of my least desirable designs. If they would have put something else on the back of this, I think it'd look even better than what they have, like than what they have right now. So this would be something that I pass on. Next, we got a Aloha shirt, just a button up with some ducks on it. Yeah, it got some ducks on it, says human made on it, all over print and some like denim. Pass. All right, next we got another 6-pan twill cap, a piece of hoodie says human made on it, green. We got a yellow hoodie with the green text with a white stroke around it, and we got some patterned chino pants. I like these colors. I like this color, the olive. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I like these chinos. I think it would be like my number 4 that I like so far, like from what I'm seeing. And also the hat that we've seen before, the polar bear in the middle. He has it's a duck in the middle. Next we got a ripstop bucket hat. And we got a raglan t-shirt, a windbreaker, and some heavy sweatpants. I'm good on the bucket hat. We'll see what's up with this windbreaker. We'll see what's up with this raglan because you really can't tell, and we'll see what's up with this heavy sweatpants as well. So we really can't tell too much from this one, but I'll keep my eye on it to see more, if they have more. And last but not least, we have a patchwork bucket hat, and it's in a patchwork shirt, and a patchwork jacket, and a patchwork shorts. Like, I like this piece. The reason being, it reminds me like of the early 90s. Mid 90s, like they wearing like all these like patches and colors all over. This give me the vibes of like 90s, and I like it. So if I decide to get a piece from this, it probably would be the short. Yeah, I honestly like this more than I thought I would when I actually looked at it. I seen it, but I didn't look at it. I just glanced over it. But that is it. Happy New Year's. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. We got a lot of good things ahead of us this year. Keeping it simple, but I'm keeping it dope at the same time. With that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.